started when Mr. Johnson came to me and said he would like an artwork that involves the students in his office. And at the time I was planning the installation art unit that I do with grade 5. I said to Mr. Johnson, can the grade 5s make this artwork? And he said yes. The students came up with more than 50 designs across the grade. So there were 5 classes working on this, and across those 50 plus designs, we had such a variety of ideas. We took all those design ideas to the grade and they voted. The particular designs that we have in Mr. Johnson's office show growth. So you'll see the size of the people changes, the size of the handprint changes. The trees also represent growth. There's also a lot of hope. They're trying to show the hope that they have and that we have as a school by putting our faith and our trust in them for the future. So you'll see a lot of bright colours. You'll see the rainbow representing hope. And it's really been a group effort by grade 5. You'll see there are hundreds of handprints making up this design. We really wanted people to remember that the individual student is important, but also the collective group of students is important. This project is very special because the grade 5s actually are taking every elementary student through this artwork and getting them to add their handprint to it. So we have pre-nursery, nursery, pre-K, kindergarten, all the way from grade 1 to 5. Every single student is putting a handprint on the wall as part of this. So we really want to involve the entire student population so that they feel like they are part of the artwork, and so that all those viewing the artwork really get a sense of the community here.
This project to me is very fun, and it's expressing what kids like with their heads and where they want to put it, and it's really colorful and it's happy, and when you come into the room it's very exciting. I think Mr. Johnson, when he finds out it's all done, I think he would be very happy and very excited to move back in and look at all the paintings and all the handprints and get reminded that kids are important.
1, 2, 3, happy!